Hi guys, so you realise what that is up there? That is a clock. Now that is new what I got for Christmas. And you see, look. So we're up here. For some reason, I don't know why we're up here. But we're meant to be up here to listen to the sounds of planets. And this is about space. And I love space. I'm so interested now. And, of course, no one's here. So, all we've got is all my teddies up there to look after me. But keep me safe. So, this is what I've got for Christmas as well. Very good. And I should want to switch the thing around. Now, I found this on YouTube. All planet sounds of our solar system, including moons and the sun. So, I think we'll jump into this and see what it's like. Okay, so I don't want any adverts. Get out of here. Get out of here. Yeah, go away. Now, let's play. All planet sounds of our solar system, including moons and the sun. Mercury. This sound Mercury makes. It's scary and loud. Listen. Oh! Venus. No, go back. This is the sound Venus makes. Venus. You know what? There's a Play-Doh tub in there on the black bag that is getting chucked in. Look. What are you doing? What are you doing, man? Get out of there. Or don't. I don't know. Now, he's being a weirdo. Now let's carry on. And remember, this is the sound Venus makes. The Earth. Get ready for this. I love this. The Earth. So this is the sound Earth's moon makes, which we're on Earth. Hey, don't tell Henry that. Don't tell Henry, because he thinks we're not on Earth. He thinks we're on a planet called World. No, he doesn't know anything about space. He doesn't know anything about space, Henry. But he knows black holes and the Milky Way and planets. Which is really, really cool. Now let's carry on. Quiet. This is quiet. It's getting a bit louder. No, now it's going lower. This is the sound Mars makes. on screen too much. It's making my eyes hurt. I mean, Phobos, Mars's moon. Let's listen to it. Okay. That sounded like Halloween. Sounded like ghosts everywhere, witches with the brooms, and vampires with a dog making, and a skeleton going like that. I know, it's a horrible sound. It's a throat sound. Now this is the sound Jupiter makes. Get ready. Oh yeah, and I'm going to go on a planet where it's not in our solar system on a map. And it's very loud. So listen to Jupiter, what sound it makes. Got it. Europa, Jupiter's moon. I don't know how to say it. I'll call it Europa. Europa. That's how I say it. Europa. Europa is Jupiter's moon. Europa's moon. The moon doesn't have a moon. Imagine there's a moon orbiting the moon, but no, it's got to be normal, got to stay normal. Look, the Earth orbiting the sun, and then the moon orbiting the Earth, and then all the other moons out there orbiting their planet. And then Mercury doesn't have any planets, even Venus. Gotta get some planets. I don't think Pluto does. Wait, Pluto does have a moon. I meant moon. If it's a planet, I meant moon. I don't know. Europa! Sounds like aliens. Okay, that sounded like aliens in a space UFO. Yeah, sounded like aliens in a UFO. It did. And of course, aliens travel to Earth. And we travel to the moon. And then we can't travel to the sun. Because it's not a planet. And it's just a star. And it's going to burn us, of course. Because it's made of fire, made of helium. I don't know. I think it's made out of helium then. Black holes are gravity because when a big star dies, it turns into a red giant. The nebula, I can't remember what the nebula is called. And then after cooling down, it turns into a white dwarf and then a black hole. And eats our planet. And all the planets out there in our solar system. Ganymede, Jupiter's moon. Okay. That sounds like aliens breaking glass. Or just aliens on the moon. It does. Now carry on. Told you. On a different planet. Wait. No, it sounds like aliens breaking glass. Very, very hard glass. Now it says low Jupiter's moon. Let's get into it. Now, get off. Oh my God. You know, the moon's made out of cheese out there. But this moon looks like it's made out of cheese. No, the moon, Jupiter's moon, looks like it's made out of cheese. That's so funny. Well. That happens all the time, that noise. Well. So we've got a cheesy moon now. Castillo, Jupiter's moon. That looks like a light moon. It looks like a globe moon. Carry on. I might not pause anymore. I'm not going to pause anymore. But we'll still be talking. Amalthea, Jupiter's moon. So weird. I am clockwise all the time. It's about 3. I don't know. Metis, Jupiter's moon. Hey. Jupiter has a lot of moons. And I said I won't pause it, but I just had to because I don't know. Just had to. A little moon. Well. Actually, I won't pause it anymore, sorry. I'll never pause it in my whole life. I will. I will once I'm fed up of it. Of course I will. What's happening there? Okay, that was just a mouse. Himelia, Jupiter's moon. Actually, I promise I won't pause it. No. This moon sounds like a clock. It does. Sounds like a clock, this moon, Himelia. Alara, Jupiter's moon. Looks so blurry now. It's off my keyboard. Get off my keyboard. You do you. Call me Jupiter's moon. Again, sounds like a clock, but a very, very loud clock. Saturn, which is a planet in our solar system, not a moon. That's not the sound Saturn makes. That is the sound Saturn's ring makes. Carry on. Titan, Saturn's moon. No. Enceladus, Saturn's moon. Enceladus, Saturn's moon. Enceladus? Make some more louder noise. Make a bit louder. Uranus. Wait, no. Miranda, Uranus's moon. A bit louder. That sounds like the police. Neptune has very strong winds. Triton or Triton, Neptune's moon. Sounds like a cat scratching a wall very fastly, or the roof, or glass, or wood. And now it sounds like it's scraping bricks. Pluto! This is the sound Pluto makes. But it's not a planet anymore. It's just a dwarf. So, it's kicked out in August 2006. So it's not a planet anymore. Sad. Don't be sad. Because I know I got kicked out because they're too small to be a planet. Because I measured it. Therefore I thought, alright, to add to our solar system. I measured it again, and again, and again, and again. And then this time thought, maybe it's too small to add. So they removed it as a planet. But it's still orbiting us. It's still there. Don't worry. Pluto's a baby planet. Pluto is a baby planet. The sun. This is the last one. This is the sound the sun makes. Thank you for watching. Yep, thank you for watching. God, now that is it, guys. That is it. But that is good. But we're not going to end it here. We've still got one more planet. What is not in our solar system? So it's called Pulsar. Now, get ready in 3, 2, 1. This is the sound Pulsar makes. Like you're banging your head or armpit on wood. It does. So weird. Anyway, guys, Thank you so much for watching. Hope you like this video. Subscribe, hit the notifications bell, like the video, and of course, watch all the videos so I can get more viewers. And make sure you keep watching my channel. Watch my channel. Go on my channel, type Jacob Mitchell, and then me with the green headphones on. Click that, click subscribe, go on the video, click like, and hit the notifications bell. And I'll see you guys all later. Bye! I don't know why I say so long.